Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. Today's video is just a quick review on the Morphe foundation and concealers that I did use for this look today. So first we are using the concealer, and the concealer is in the number C2.65. And first I'm going to start off, of course, using it to cover up those dark circles up under my eye. I did like this concealer's color. It was the perfect color for me. It did give me that medium beige vibe that I usually use with the LA Girl Pro concealer, so I did like this concealer. I only have one bad thing to say about it, but we're going to get to that when you can actually see it when I'm talking about it. So for the foundation, I did use the Morphe Matte Foundation, and it's the color F3.60. I did like the color. The color matched my skin perfectly, but this was truly matte, and I'm not a matte foundation girl, so that was like a negative for me, because I don't think I even realized when I bought it that it was going to be matte, because I usually don't use matte foundation. But if you are a matte home girl, listen, this really is a nice foundation. It's just that I don't do matte. So now I'm just going to use that same concealer to put all over my face in the highlighted areas. So this is where I said that I would have like a negative review on this concealer, and it's when it came to me putting the concealer on my forehead. So after blending everything out, everything else that I blended out on my highlighted areas came out really nice with the concealer, but when it came to the forehead, it's like it left how I put it on. It left like a cast on my forehead. Now I'm not sure if I left the foundation on too long, like sitting too long while I did all the other areas, but as you can see, like it left like a shadow. I don't really know the proper word for it, but you can see exactly where I put the concealer. I really didn't like this though. It really blew me that it left this cast shadow on my forehead, because I like for my foundation and my face to look flawless. I don't like you to see, oh, she highlighted right there. I ain't like that, so it really did blow me. But that was my only negative review. If I could say one thing is, don't let the concealer sit too long on your face. So to contour my face, I did grab another Morphe Matte Foundation, and it is in the color F4.10. If you watch my videos, then you will see that I always use a darker foundation to contour my face. So I'm just going to place that in all the contour areas on my forehead, my cheekbones, and down my nose. And I'm just going to blend that out with my e.l.f. Beauty Blender. I can say again, just like the foundation, the base foundation, this foundation was really nice. I like the way it blended. I like the way it laid on my face all day. It's just that I am not a matte foundation girl, so it's not for me, but it was still nice. It's still a nice foundation if you like matte foundation. It really is. It's really nice. I think that they did a really good job as far as the colors to match different skin tones. It was really nice. I think every color that I picked, it matched my regular skin tone, and it matched I'm not gonna say my regular skin tone, like I be just changing colors, but I think they did a real good job as far as having a variety of foundation colors to match different skin tones. So now I'm just going to set the concealer in place with the Laura Mercier translucent powder that I always use. So then I'm just going to use the Morphe bronzers in the color Icon and Magenta. These bronzers I do love. I already had them already, so they just fit in perfect with this video because it's a Morphe review. But I do love these bronzers, so I'm just going to dust off I'm just going to use Icon to dust off the powder, and then I'm going to go in with the magenta to set the contour in place. And then I'm just going to spray my face with some Morphe setting mist, and I'm going to use my go-to highlighter palette from Morphe, which I already had because I always love it and I use it in all my videos, and it's the Star Blazer highlighter palette. And after that, your girl is done. So thank you all for watching this video. I do appreciate it. I will be dropping the video for this beautiful, gorgeous eyeshadow on Thursday, so stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.